I believe this to be around the 1952 International half-ton truck. The model is L110. Has a 6-cylinder overhead valve engine, and in 1950, when that engine was introduced, it was the first to be overhead valve engine in a truck. So this is an advance for its time. It had full insert bearings in the engine and a full pressure oil system. The IH emblem there is, I believe, wasn't original equipment, maybe added. As you can see, this is a bare bones truck. It does have a heater underneath. You can see the controls and the blower motor. Nothing fancy, but in its own way, it was advanced for the time. Nice seat upholstery. That's well done. And there is a little surface rust on this truck, but it's in remarkably good unrestored condition. Notice the bright work there in the front. The diamonds there in the insignia for International. International made a lot of trucks. And there you see the handle for the hood, release for it. Hinges are very visible. Turn signals, big steering wheel. Notice the visors and the covering. Now this, I do not know what that's for. Tried to get a look at the printing on the thing, and didn't really come up with a solution. So maybe one of my viewers knows what that canister is for. As I say, it's in remarkably good condition for being unrestored. Notice the how the trailer hitch is mounted there on that piece of steel. There you see some licensing for it as a farm vehicle. Those colors look remarkably like New York State, so don't know.